Isang mapagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Welcome back sa ating munting channel, Cool Lolo, Cool Tips and Talks. May 24, 2025, Saturday Racing. Karera sa araw ng Sabado. Meron tayong 7 races. All 7 races to be run in 1,400 meter distance. Patuloy, Phil.com rating based handicap system race, Summer Racing Festival, no bearing races, no effect. Kaya ngayong araw ng Sabado ay makapal. Marami ang mga entries sa bawat karera. Tanging race 4 lang ang pinakakonti, 7 in betting numbers, pero 6 lang ito kasi walang number 4. Umpisa natin ang ating mga cool choices. Race 1, umpisa ng winner take all, races 1 to 7. Ang race 1 merong pentapekta at merong super 6. First choice number 5, Glina Moon. Tanging at lone imported horse dito sa race 1. Second choice number 10, Exalted. Tayo sa race number 2. Pick 6 covers races 2 to 7. First choice number 1, Go Aidan Go. Top weight 57 kilo. Second choice number 9, Summer Rule. Third choice number 10, Animo Lazal. Race number 3. Pick 5 covers races 3 to 7. Ang ating pong cool and only choice, first and only choice, number 6, Tease the Moon. Race 4, pick 4 covers races 4 to 7. First and only choice, number 3, coupled in 3, Don Damiano, 3A, Space Jam. Dumako na tayo ngayon sa race number 5 sa likod ng ating mga dividendazo program. First choice number 5, Bravo. Babang-baba na. Second choice, number 8, Wide Cut. At third choice number 3, Antonio de la Mugis. Race 6, penultimate race, race na may pentapekta. First choice, number 1, Tadeus. At second choice number 2, Border Force. Last race, race 7. Race na may Super 6, Paratingan. First choice, number 5, Ayuda. Second choice, number 14, Top of the Line. Third choice, number 2, Rule the World. Happy racing! God bless to all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. At pakikalagit na rin ang notification bell para maging updated sa lahat ng video. Hinay-hinay lang po sa pagtaya. Sana tumama tayo. Thank you!